really skint.
Huh?
He's a writer, which means he's skint.
I'm absolutely skint.
I'm skint. And you still owe me some money.
I'm so skint right now.
But Jimmy was skint, huh? But Jimmy was skint, huh?
I am skint. I'll let you buy me one.
I'm broke as shit.
I was broke.
I'm broke. And I am completely broke.
I'm broke as shit.
I am broke.
I am broke.
I do, but I am broke and hungry.
I was broke.
I was broke. I was broke.
Marty, I am utterly broke, okay?
Ponies would be trying our taste of it until the cows came home.
Who knows? Give it a whirl.
Give it a whirl.
No!
Let's give it a whirl.
Boosh. And give it a whirl. You'll
Give it a whirl, Jake. Give it a whirl, Jake.
Give it a whirl.
Give that a whirl.
I'll give it a whirl.
Give it a whirl.
Give it a whirl.
Let's give it a whirl.
Let's give it a whirl.
Okay.
Thanks. I'll give it a whirl.
Want to give it a whirl?
Who knows? Give it a whirl.
And we're bending over backwards.
I think they would bend over backwards for you. They would.
And your father would bend over backwards.
Well, they bend over backwards for me.
Bend over backwards to please Chuck.
Bending over backwards to come.
Bending over backwards to help Q at every opportunity.
Bending over backwards to make you happy.
Bending over backwards.
But I'm done. I am so done. Bending over backwards.
Every person in this town bends over.
He would actually bend over backwards.
I am bending over backwards trying to stay neutral.
It's like you're bending over
I think you're bending over backwards.
People bend over backwards to cater to him.
No fun for you till you come home.
And then we'll do this. I mean, then we'll do this till the cows come.
But you'll eat fish till the cows come home.
Can you wait till your mother comes home?
No, see.
You talk about that thing till the cows come home.
I can turn your topsoil till the cows come home.
I gotta babysit Billy till they come home.
I thought you weren't coming home till tomorrow.
Sam, you can apologize till the cows come home. But it won't leave.
Till the cows come home.
We can talk about normality till the cows come home.
What does that mean, Bob? Till the cows come home.
Who forgot to pick up who till the cows come home?
Yeah, I could work on my arms till the cows come home, but...
You could do that till the cows come home.
Can you wait till your
Show off.
Go off.
Show off. Show off.
Show off. Show off. Show off.
Show off.
Show off.
What's that?
Show off.
Big show off. Make yourself at home, darling.
Make yourself at home?
Make yourself at home.
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 Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. Feel.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Yeah. Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. And how maybe we can kill two birds with one stone.
And kill two birds with one stone.
Clever Perry. Killed two birds with one stone.
Kills two birds with one stone.
Kill two birds with one stone.
I could kill two birds with one stone. I could do...
People do it all the time.
I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone.
Yeah, kill two birds with one stone.
Kill two birds with one stone. I got
Killing two birds with one stone.
Guess I'll kill two birds with one stone. So, kill two birds with one stone.
I'll kill two birds with one stone.
Thought I'd kill two birds with one stone.
We kill two birds with one stone.
Birds with one stone, my friend.
Yeah, because then that's like two birds with one stone.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself. Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
I am devastated. She's devastated.
Devastated.
Devastated. Simply devastated.
I am devastated.
I am devastated.
I was devastated.
I'm devastated.
I'm devastated.
I'm devastated.
Sneezing. I'm devastated.
I'm utterly devastated.
Oh, girls, I'm devastated. Just devastated.